workplace that I used to be some time back, I got a boss who had this kind of data. So he had captured the employees' names, first and last. And of course, he had their dates of birth on the same cell. And there were many, thousands and thousands. So he told me to come and extract data from this column D. And they wanted me to come here and write Joshua, the first name, last name. I have Aura. And then I type in this case the date of birth manually. And he gave me like 3 days. So what I did being an Excel wizard, what I did being an Excel guru, I came straight away here and used the flash fill. Flash fill is Control E. So what I did, I came for the first employee, I wrote in full. This is Joshua first name. I came and wrote here last name, which is Aura, all right? And then date of birth, I simply took here the 25th of November, all right, 1978. And then I came here in the first name, I simply put under Joshua, my cursor there, and I highlighted this cell, E5. And then I said straight away, control. I'm holding on to control. Control E for the flash fill. You can see in this case here, Kamau, first names have been taken. I came to the last name here under Aura. Again, control. I'm holding on control permanently. Said control E. You can see in this case, it has been able to extract the names here. And then we came to the date of birth here. I said in this case here, control what here? E. So I was able to do the entire exercise in very few seconds. But of course, I could not take this work to him and tell him that I've finished, which is bad practice because I was young that time. I took my 3 days, like I was just lazing around, knowing that I've finished my work. But remember, accountability says that when you finish this kind of a thing, go ahead and share the same with your employer. They'll be able to recognize talent. It's called Control E. So in this case here, please copy that table and try practicing yourself. And most importantly, join my business and data analytics classes and of course, advanced Excel. You cannot go wrong. Call us 0793 555 000. Thank you.